it's the 21st of October 2021. We have Mechelininkatu 25 with the only staircase in this section. It's this one. Past these 3 persons through photographs. Sadly, it's been modernized by Helsingin Hissiteknikot.
Yeah.
Probably Stockholm syndrome type of buttons. But a very beautiful staircase it is. I like it. It is in medallions. It's from 1928, you can see.
Yeah.
It says there.
Yeah. It says.
Anatomy 1928.
It says henkilö in spoken language. Yeah.
Only 3 persons,
Yeah.
but not kilograms. Strange.
Yeah.
They forgot it. But this is originally built by Elvis in 1920. What's the year? 28. Yeah, 28. More honestly, 1995. Actually, 95. So okay. As it has a window on the backside, maybe 2 rides.
No, I think 1 more.
But I want to see the shaft.
Yeah,
outside.
but I take 1 ride.
I can take to the shaft.
Yeah.
So it will be inspected in the next year, 2022, and the serial number is 14620. But this should have been modernized with Kone like evergreen type of panels,
Yeah.
like in Lappeenranta.
Yeah, of course.
But still could be unnecessary modernization.
Yeah.
On such a beautiful residential building.
Yeah.
Because the staircase is very beautiful. Oh, this has Kero schools. Abbreviation, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Care or yeah.
Yeah.
Floor.
Inspected by QIs, maintained by Kone.
Yeah.
It was maintained by ThyssenKrupp before.
Yeah. Now there's a better maintenance, but a bad modernization.
Yeah.
So I want to take to the shaft, to the counterweight.
Yeah. That's it.